Hello everyone, this is Pujari Chakrishwar. I'm a student of Dhanvantri IAS Super 90 program. I've joined this program 2 years back. I was the first student of the first batch, so I have privilege to be a part of this program from the past 2 years. So I'm here today with you to share few small information regarding how the program runs here. What are the modules that we follow here? So let's go ahead. There are many institutes here and there. You have institutes in New Delhi, you have institutes in Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad. So there are many institutes in India for UPSC coaching. But out of all these institutes, why should someone has to choose Dhanvantri IAS Super 90 program? The reasons are this. The first thing is it's a community interest and a result oriented program. So what we need is a set of bureaucrats who are very good at delivering the public service soon, maybe in 5 to 10 years, who can make a difference. And this can be a game changer in the coming days. And the second thing is it's a structured program with a proper micro planning, and there's a proper admission procedure. We have objective and descriptive test, and then we have an interview, and there's a filtering mechanism on the number of candidates or the students that we choose for this program. This makes sure that the strongest and efficient student gets into the program. And the next thing is the individual care. In the UPSC program, in the UPSC preparation, most of the times we learn things, we understand things mostly when we talk to our peer, maybe at the chai shop or maybe while having tiffin or dinner. That's how we learn things in the UPSC. And this makes the peer-to-peer interaction very much interesting and very much necessary. So we have that peer-to-peer interaction here. Since the number of students that we choose here is very much limited, and this will surely help each and every aspirant. And majority of the faculty who teach here in Dhanvantri IAS Super 90 are from New Delhi. The faculty from New Delhi has been chosen with their wide experience and capacity to explain very much clear and clearly to the students, so that each and every part of the syllabus is easily understood by the students. And the game changer in this particular program is the daily news analysis. We know how the current affairs and the daily newspaper is very much important to the UPSC preparation. So what has to be learned from the newspaper is very much important. So that particular class of daily news analysis will help us in having a deep understanding of the syllabus and taking things from the newspaper which are very much important that we can use in the examination, maybe in the prelims or mains, maybe in the answer writing as well. And we have regular answer writing and evaluation, so that each and every student is taken care, and each and every student is explained from time to time where he is standing, where he has to focus on, where he is strong at, where he is weak at, so that this helps the student to analyze where he is standing. And this is one of the special thing that you see here in this institute. And we also have reading rooms and libraries available here, so that you need not worry about a place to go and study. And the next comes is the selection process. This is the module of the Super 90 program. First, we start with the NCERTs. The foundation for the UPSC preparation is the NCERTs. So the module 1 starts with the clear explanation of NCERTs. This is an online mode since the pandemic is yet to go. So the foundation courses will go online, and it will start from 4th July and will end on 30th August this year. There's the first module, and the second module is which includes the mains as well as the prelims. The preparation for the mains and the teaching for the mains and prelims will go on hand in hand. This will be available to the students. The physically, you can come to class here. You can also choose the live streaming, wherein you can go for the online mode. This will start from 1st September, and by 31st Jan of next year, that is 31st Jan of 2022, you will be completing the whole syllabus. So the mains, most of the main subjects are dealt by the New Delhi faculty. And meanwhile, while this module 1 and module 2 are going on, you will have the daily news analysis classes every day. And after the module 2 is completed, you will be left with almost 3 to 4 months. In this particular 3 to 4 months, you have time to prepare for the prelims examinations. Meanwhile, in this particular 3 to 4 months, along with DNA, daily news analysis, we have mock tests. We have subject-wise segregation, that is separately for geography, history, polity, economy, science and tech, and environment. We have separate exams division-wise on these particular subjects. Along with that, we have exams on current affairs, and at the end, we have grand tests, which includes all the subjects. It is just like the prelims paper that you will be writing on the prelims day. Along with that, we have CSAT examinations, which is very, very much important. And the changing dynamics of the UPSC paper are making the CSAT, even the CSAT paper, tougher these days. So we have CSAT classes, CSAT examinations along in that particular mock tests. And the last one is once the prelims are completed, we have module 4, where the revision for the mains examinations will be taken care, along with a test series. You have test series of all the papers that you have to write, the languages, English, the optional, and the 4 GS papers, along with ethics. So this is how the module runs here. So friends, that's how the module runs here in the Dhanvantri IAS Super 90 program. To add a point here to all those non-locals who are worrying about the facility to stay, we do have separate hostels here for men and women nearby the institute. Please do not worry, this will help you in addressing the issues of non-locals. Also, at the end, I would like to just tell you that what a UPSC aspirant need is a strong hard work and commitment, the conviction to clear this exam. Be here in the Dhanvantri with that commitment and hard work. We will stand by you. We will advise you. We will make sure that you are in the right path. We'll see that the mistakes that you do are corrected, and we appreciate you for doing right things, and we'll cheer you in your success. Thank you very much.